Okay, level ones is really about right triangles and drawing pictures and then figuring out like missing side lengths. So number one says, given a right triangle with a leg with a length of 10 and the hypotenuse with a length of 20, determine the exact length of the missing side. So this word exact here just tells me that I'm going to maybe have a root that's not a nice root, or I'll get a decimal that I want to leave as a fraction. So let's just go ahead and draw a picture. So we've got a right triangle. One of the legs is going to be 10. It doesn't matter which side that you label. You could have labeled the bottom as 10. But the hypotenuse is going to be 20. Find the length of the missing side. So Pythagorean theorem sounds like a good choice for us. So that's either A or B. So let's just do A squared plus 10 squared equals 20 squared. A squared plus 100 equals 400. And then subtracting 100 from 400, you're going to get 300. And when you square root that in your calculator, you're going to get a decimal, which tells me that I need to simplify it and break it down using a tree. So I have 300. I'm going to break this down into 100 and 3, and then 10 and 10. And again, you can break down the 10 and 10 again into 2 and 5. But since I already have a pair here, I'm just going to circle that. So final answer will be 10 root 3. Alright, number 2 says, a bird standing on the ground is 12 feet from the base of an oak tree. So here's my bird. You can laugh all you want at it. Okay, so there's my bird. He's standing 12 feet from the base of an oak tree. Okay, hold on. Let's draw an oak tree here. Oak tree. You can continue laughing at me. Go ahead. Alright, so there's your oak tree. And he flew 20 feet to reach the top of the tree. So he's going to fly 20 feet to the top of the tree. So here he is again. How tall is the tree? So he flew 20 feet. He's 12 feet from the base of the oak tree. I want to know how tall the tree is. So you can see, maybe, you've got a right triangle in here where you know the hypotenuse on one of the legs. So we are going to do the Pythagorean theorem again. So 12 squared plus b squared equals 20 squared. This is 144 equals 400. And let's see, b squared is going to equal 256. I think that's right. And then we're going to square root 256. 400, let's just make sure minus 144. 256, and we're going to square root 256 here. And you're going to get 16. So the tree is 16 feet high. So again, all level ones is using the old dead guy, the Pythagorean theorem, to solve word problems. Okie dokie, those are level ones.